What? What?
You.
What did I do?
Just you. Just yourself.
Hi, guys.
Welcome back to our channel.
I totally forgot what to say. I'm good now. I'm good.
Hi guys. Welcome back to our channel.
If you're new here, I'm Brenna.
And I'm Bella.
And today we're going to be filming a video where I do Bella's makeup. And so I came up with this idea where we would film a video where one of us is like the model and the other person will do the makeup. And our inspiration is based off of like movie cover art or just like the movie in general. So the movie that I chose today is Sleeping Beauty. So I'm going to be using that movie as my inspiration to do a look on Bella today.
So we're going to make another video where I'm going to do Brenna's makeup based on a movie that I pick. So stay tuned for that. But if you want to see Brenna create this Sleeping Beauty look on me, then keep on watching.
I have to get out. What else do you want me to do?
Frick my fricking life. Okay, now that you guys can see every little detail of my face.
I haven't washed my hands in 7 days. You want to know what happened to this? Can you see that?
I bit it.
Can you see that? Wait, can they see it?
Probably not. Wow, that's really crusty.
I was doing my makeup.
And you bit it.
The other day, no, and
she chipped her tooth.
I was like not paying attention and I like flung it across the room and it hit my window, hit the blinds, hit the floor, and there's a stain on my carpet. Are you kidding? I asked if you wanted a snack, you said no, and you freaking ate mine.
Does your palette look different than mine?
What do you mean?
Oh, because this is a newer one they repackaged.
Hold on. I want to
the OG one.
So I did Bella's face makeup off camera and her eyebrows. So now I'm just going to go in with the Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to go in with this white shade, and I'm going to put that all over her lid and in her crease before I put the transition shade on. And I'm going to use the Morphe M504 brush. You look like you're on QVC. I'm going to do this eye on camera, and I'll just do the other one off camera so that you guys can really see how I'm gonna do this look. I'm going to go in with the same palette, but I'm going to use this pink shade as my transition shade. So I'm going to put that all in her crease and bring it up pretty high because I'm going to be adding a lot of vibrant colors into this look. Now I'm going to go in with this bright pink shade, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of her crease and drag it out towards the outside, but I'm not going to bring it out too far because I will be adding a few other colors into there. And I'm going to take that on the Morphe M573 brush. I'm going to go in with this light purple lilac shade, and I'm going to place that right where I ended with this bright pink, and I am going to go back in with the pink later on just to brighten it up, but I just kind of want to get the purple in there now so I can start blending them. And I'm going to take the purple on the Morphe M433 brush. Oh my god, this color is so pretty. Look at that. And I'm just blending the pink in with the purple right now. This is the perfect purple shade to sort of blend that because we are going to bring darker shades to the outer corner of her eye. So I want to keep this just right in the center. I'm just going to take a little more of that light purple shade and place it on the outer corner of her eye and just drag it a little towards the center before I start packing on darker colors. I'm going to go in with this dark purple shade, and I'm going to place that on the outer corner of Bella's eye and drag it in a little towards the center. And to do that, I'm going to use the Morphe M441 brush. Just going to go in with the lighter purple shade I used in the beginning, and I'm just going to blend out the seams around all of the edges where the purple is, just so that it's not so harsh. So I definitely want to keep the pink pretty vibrant. Going to take this bright pink shade again and just blend it into the purple a little bit. I'm just going to bring some of that darker purple towards her lash line a little bit, just to darken that up and just bring it up a little. And before I do anything else on the top, I'm going to go to her lower lash line, and I'm going to go in with the Morphe E18 brush. And I'm just going to take the light lilac shade that I used in the beginning, and I'm just going to start that from her outer corner and bring it in. And on that same brush, I'm just going to take the darker purple that I used, and I'm going to do the same thing, just darken it up a bit. And then I'm going to take the light pink shade that I used in the beginning, and I'm just going to put that from her inner corner to the middle of her eye. So just look up.
Oh.
Sorry. Over that, we're just going to put the bright pink and transition that into the purple. So pretty much the same thing that we did on the top of her lid, just to her lower lash line. And now I'm going to take that bright pink on the Morphe E36 brush, and I'm just going to put it a little closer to her lash line, just to blend like this line right here so that it looks a little more seamless. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the purple.
I need to adjust my butt.
I'm going to come back in and clean up the eyes after, but for right now I'm going to go in with this NYX Liquid Crystal liquid eyeliner in gold, and I'm just going to carefully take this, and I want to put it from her inner corner to about like the middle of her eyelid, and then we're going to bring it down here to a point and just drag it a little at the bottom. Oh, did I kick you in the eye?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I'm going to come back to her eye makeup after, but I have a few things I want to add first. So I'm going to go in above her eyebrow, and I'm going to draw like a little castle up here with this black eyeliner from Rimmel London.
Oh, Mr. Sun. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Hello?
What? Was someone even on the phone? Show them the screen. Tell them
All right,
the
so
it matches your makeup.
All right, my phone's really messed up. I need to get a new one. So I was trying to go on Snapchat today and it wouldn't open it. It kept closing the app, so I tried to like restart my phone. And now it looks like this, both the lock screen and the home screen, and it won't let me change it. So I guess I'm just gonna be matching.
Not like that.
Oh, Mickey, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Mickey. Hey, Mickey.
Hey, girls.
Hello.
Hi.
Dinner's gonna be done real quick. Was that a castle?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
She's a queen today.
No.
Ew.
See? She
Told
just said
you.
that like 5 minutes ago.
Told you.
Can you? Dude, you should freaking practice that.
Whoa.
What?
I'm so shiny. That does not look like gold. That looks
This?
like bronze.
No. No, I think I know what I'm doing.
Okay, but I'm telling you, like, if that's the color you want, that's fine, but it's not gold.
Oh.
But I freaking tell you. Are you getting him anything for Father's Day?
Uh-huh.
It's this weekend. Just better hurry.
It is not this weekend.
It's Sunday. Oh my god. I'm appalled.
Bella, my butt!
Is it stuck?
It was. Near there.
Okay. Get this. Look what Brennan did to me.
I didn't do that.
Excuse me?
It came in
No.
Rachel gave it to me, I swear. Or, no, it came in an Ipsy bag.
Brennan.
It came in an Ipsy bag. What do you want me
I just want my freaking cannoli.
to... I'm not done.
Oh my god, Banana.
What? Okay, so I finished doing the castle and I added the 3 little fairies right there. So now I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back with the finished look. So I finished Bella's other eye and the castle is done. I added the 3 little fairies and on her lips we used Jeffree Star's Velour Liquid Lipstick in Doll Parts. And now I'm just going to quickly go in and tightline her bottom lash line.
We didn't talk about this.
So I'm just going to use that purple shade that I've been using, and I'm just gonna look up. I'm just gonna put a little bit right here. Get it in her eyeball a little by accident. Blink, 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 blink.
So I can get all the product out of my eyeballs? Yeah, thanks.
Then we're going to do the same thing, but with the bright pink. I'm going to go in with this NYX Pigments eyeshadow thing, and it's like this iridescent purple. I'm just gonna put like a little bit of this onto the purple on her eye and just blur it out with my finger because it's very light, like you really can't notice it, but it just gives a little bit of like a sheen to it, and it reminds me of like fairy dust, and I just kind of want to add it in to give it a little more something.
My favorite part is all the makeup in my eye.
Now I'm just going to quickly contour her face with the butter bronzer. And then I'm going to go in with this toothpaste.
The toothpaste?
With this oh my god.
Oh my.
With this Too Faced. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, with this Too Faced blush, I think it's called The Hangover, I'm not sure.
Love Hangover.
Love Hangover. Okay. And it's like this peachy pink color, and I don't know why, but it just reminds me of Sleeping Beauty. I actually want to, not like pack it on, but I want to put more on than usual, just because Sleeping Beauty has rosy cheeks. For highlight, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit, and I'm going to go in with the shade Pink Heart in the bottom right corner, or left corner, depends on how you're looking. Right corner, right? Right? And I'm just adding just a tiny bit of that purple shade into there. And we're just gonna set it with the NYX Dewy Setting Spray. So this is my finished look. Sleeping Beauty is my favorite Disney princess movie, so I was really inspired to do this look, and I was so excited because I just thought it looked so good on Bella's face. So I got the pink and purple from, like, her dress is pink, and the dragon in the end is, like, purple and Maleficent. So that's why I did it like that, and then the gold I just added as, like, a pop for the inner corner. And I added the 3 little fairies right here because I couldn't leave them out because they're, like, one of my favorite parts. And then I just added the castle at the top because, I don't know, it's like,
Words.
it's a thing.
We really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you're not already. If you want to stay up to date on all our videos that we post, you can follow our joint Instagram, which is at Brenna and Bella. And if you want to follow our personal Instagrams, mine is Bellaboo with 3 O's _6.
And mine is Brenna Caitlin. And we'll put them down here so you can see, like, how they're spelled and everything.
Be sure to stay tuned to see my tutorial that I'm going to do on Brenna that should be out in a few days.
It's not stopping!
I do not say blah blah blah.
Hey guys, so this morning I was finishing editing the video because it's supposed to go up tomorrow. But I got to the end and I realized that me and Bella did not film an outro. We just ended the video saying, oh, follow us, like, on Instagram or whatever, and we said, oh, is that good? And then Bella said, yeah, and then we just ended the video. So
we just wanted to say we hope you guys enjoyed our video.
yeah, and we thank you for 95 subscribers. We're almost at 100.
So exciting.
Yeah, so
Thanks for watching.
bye, guys.
The door. Red, white, and blue. What if I just headbutt you?
Oh! Okay, bye.
Okay, so it's fine.
I'm also claiming something that I'm not sure yet, so you have to wait till I figure it out.
You guys want to hang out?
Ow! Oh my god, you never stopped it?
You didn't tell me to.
That's
No.
what mine were last. Can you put those away? Nobody wants to see them.
Stop.
I can't help it. And we're gonna make another video.
Oh, we're gonna make another video.
What?
You said I have to look at you, so I'm looking at you.
Look up.
Did you like that I looked down?
What?
I'm really tired. I'm ready to take a nap. My eyes are watering. I don't know what's wrong with you.
What?
I'm so pretty
Yeah,
and
this
witty
way.
and bright. I'm sorry. I'm pretty sure you asked me to grab it.
That is not what I wanted.
Hi ho, it's off to work we go. Ah, I mean, was this best work?
Oh!
The water. Oh my
I don't
god,
have
why
it.
are you literally
I didn't
so
have it.
mental?
What the
hell?
hell?